Hey guys, working on a 2014 Toyota Venza, and I need to change the license plate light. So to start, we got to remove this. You can get a pick tool in here, start it, and kind of pry down. And then now at this point, I have to just keep pulling without breaking anything. Oh, oof, like that. I'm about to walk all the way around here and pull all these clips out. Alright, this was finally off. If some of these don't come out with it, get a pry tool in here, stick it in, and just pull it down. And when you do that with this open head here, slide it back into place so when they're not broken. And if you're looking here, dead in the center is the license plate light. Tough spot. And with some pliers, you can pull out this bulb here. Bulb is a 2825. And before we hang this back up, we're going to test it and make sure that the bulb works. And by simply turning your headlights on, these will come on, so we know our license plate light is working. And now you just gotta push all these clips. Back into place. Now we can finally pass the inspection. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out. Bye.